Uh-oh. What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here, and today we are going to be opening up this box. Not quite sure what's in it, but when I caught it, it was a little jangly, so hopefully it's nothing breakable. Before we get started, huge shout out to Geeks Outfit. I'm currently wearing their hoodie right now, their No Internet hoodie. They make really cool tech and gaming related clothing and accessories. They got everything from t-shirts to pins and stuff like that, so definitely check them out. I'll put a link to their site in the description below. Alright, so on to this one. We're going to find out what's inside of this box. It's interesting packaging here. I think, yeah. Let me find my knife real quick. Even better, a box cutter. So let's find out what's inside. Alright, so it looks like this is oh, it's like a picture light. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, this is a magnetic picture light from Ibu. Let's go ahead and open this up. It looks like it is stepless dimming, comes with a battery, USB-C charger, no wires to install, 3 color temperatures, no strobing, and it's good for your eyes, and it is energy efficient. It has an A+ rating on the scale. Let's go ahead and open this up here. Alright, so the first thing inside is the light itself. Let's go ahead and take this out. Ooh, I recognize those LEDs. These are some super bright LED. It already turned on. These are some super bright LEDs, and you could already see that here. We have 3 settings. We have the white light setting, we have the orange setting, and we have the standard, I guess, also white light. Different temperatures of lighting here, from red to blue. Oh, I just blinded myself. And then if we hold down the button, we can dim. Yep. And then if we hold it down again, we can make it go brighter. And whenever it's at the brightness you want it, you just let go, and then you can tap again to change the color, stuff like that. And we can see the magnet is here on the back side as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at what else is in the box. All right, so here is what it mounts onto. So essentially, this part right here comes off. You just unscrew it here, and you're gonna screw this into the wall wherever you want this mounted. Once you screw it into the wall, you're just gonna have to screw this back in, and this is going to be properly mounted on the wall. And it has, oops, upside down though, and it has directional movement here so that you can turn this and have it facing whatever you like. So once it's actually mounted and everything, you have a full 360 degrees, almost, maybe 270 of motion here. And you can also tighten these up if you'd like to, so that they don't, there's a screw. You can tighten it up so that it doesn't move as easily once you have it in place. And whenever you want to, you can just pull it off and charge it through the USB-C charger on the other side. So if you have guests over and you want to show off your cool art or something, you can, you know, snap this on, turn it on, and show off your art. And then when they leave, you just turn it back off and you're good to go. That'll probably last you quite a long time. Maybe like a month later of doing that, you can probably charge it back up with the USB-C charger right there. If you have like an art exhibit or something like that, these would be great. You just turn it on for the day, and then at night you can charge everything up again without having to actually pull anything off, without having to install any cables or anything like that. Super cool. So what else is in the box? We have mounting hardware. We have instructions on how to mount the fixture and everything, so that's super useful. And we have instructions for the remote. That's right, this comes with a remote control so that you can actually control the lighting, the coloration, and the brightness, even set up timers completely remotely, which is really useful. Once you have it installed, you won't even have to go over there to set everything up. You just go ahead and press a button. And then of course they gave us a USB-C charger as well, which is useful to keep things charged up. But yeah, definitely a cool little light fixture here. It's very nice to see when they are detachable and battery powered, so you don't have to install any cables, you don't have to have anything, any gross wires hanging down from what's supposed to be a really nice, you know, art fixture or picture or something you want to show off with this. You don't want cables cluttering that all up. So I absolutely love when it's battery powered, even though it does take an extra step of charging it. These tend to last a really long time because they are pretty energy efficient, being LEDs. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and as always, have a good one. Peace.
Unbox and kudos, we rock that pseudo administrative elevator command. Build it up or break it down in that virtual lab. From conversations to games to interviews with a broader view. He keeps it fresh, always brings something new. It's MikeTheTech, 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 the architect,